Welcome to our video series, where we dive into the world of maintenance and reliability. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we are going to dissect the concept of prescriptive maintenance and how it differs from predictive maintenance. You'll learn how both these methods work, with a touch of artificial intelligence and advanced analytics thrown in the mix. By the end of this video, you'll have a greater understanding of these key concepts and how they can be applied to your maintenance and operations teams. So, without further ado, let's get started. Have you ever wondered what prescriptive maintenance is and how it's different from predictive maintenance? Well, let's dive right in. Prescriptive maintenance, also known as RXM, is a unique maintenance concept that gathers and scrutinizes data about an equipment's condition to offer specialized recommendations. These recommendations are designed to minimize operational risks. You might be thinking, hey, that sounds a lot like predictive maintenance. And you're not wrong. Predictive maintenance uses sensors to accurately gather data about an asset's condition and overall operational state. This data is then analyzed to predict when failure events will occur. But here's where prescriptive maintenance takes it up a notch. It goes beyond just predicting failure events by also recommending actions to take. It then calculates and anticipates the potential outcomes when these recommended actions are performed. Let's consider an example. If you have equipment running with varying bearing temperature, predictive methods will tell you when the equipment is likely to fail given its temperature profile. But prescriptive methods will tell you that reducing the equipment speed by a certain amount can double the time before it is likely to fail. So, while predictive maintenance can tell you the estimated duration until a failure event, prescriptive maintenance allows you to calculate the effects of varying the operating conditions to the time to failure. Now, you might be wondering, what drives prescriptive maintenance? The answer is prescriptive analytics. As our ability to collect data increases, so does the complexity of analysis that can be done to interpret the information. Prescriptive analytics goes beyond predicting events to exploring hypothetical outcomes. In other words, it provides you with multiple scenarios and simulations without having to experience each one in real life. Through prescriptive analytics, algorithms and artificial intelligence assist maintenance teams to perform maintenance in a more exhaustive approach. So what does the future hold for prescriptive maintenance? The Internet of Things, or IoT, and technological advancements are speeding up our day-to-day activities, and maintenance activities are no exception. Efforts to incorporate artificial intelligence and machine learning into maintenance programs are no longer just science fiction. The possibilities for prescriptive maintenance are endless, and breakthroughs are being discovered each day. Staying informed about such advancements is the first step to equip your teams with innovative maintenance strategies. So, keep an eye on this space for more exciting developments. And that wraps up our video on prescriptive maintenance. We've covered how it differs from predictive maintenance, the role of prescriptive analytics, and the potential future of maintenance strategies. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on our latest content. For more resources and information, visit us at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep innovating, keep improving, and keep upkeeping.